How to transfer USDT Binance to Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to transfer USDT Binance to Binance. First of all, you have to open the Binance account where you want to add USD. After that, you have to click on the deposit button. Here you can see. If you have not created your Binance, you can create an account by clicking on the link given in the description. After that, you have to type USDT here in the search bar. After that, you have to click on USDT. Here you can see it when you click on it. Now you have to click on USDT. When you click on the USDT here, you have to select the first option from TRC20. Now here you can copy the wallet address of TRC20. To copy, you have to click on the copy button. Now here you have to open the Binance account from where you want to send the USDT. After that, you have to click on Withdraw button. Then after clicking on the Withdraw button above, you have to search and select your TRC20. Now here at the top you have to paste the USDT wallet address where you want to send the USD. Below you have to add the amount of USD that you want to send. After that, you have to click on Withdraw button. In this way, you can not only send USDT from Binance to Binance, but also you can send the USDT in any crypto exchange. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.